Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this smart band on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your band. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your smart band needs to be paired with your phone via the HUAWEI Health application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our smart band. So let's open the application. In the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on devices icon to open the devices page. And here you should see your HUAWEI Band 9. Tap on it to select it. Now scroll through this page and find the option called notifications. As you can see, for me it's disabled, so tap on notifications. And to enable the notifications, tap on the switch right here. If you tap on the switch and you don't have the required permissions allowed, it will redirect you to this page. You need to tap on the screen and you will see the device apps and notifications. Or it could be also called notification access. So either device and app notifications or notification access. What we need to do is to scroll through this list, find the HUAWEI Health application, tap on it, and here you will see the option called Allow Notification Access. We need to tap on the switch next to it, then tap on Allow to turn it on. And once you turn on the notification access for the HUAWEI Health application, tap on the back button to go back. And as you can see in the HUAWEI Health application, the notifications are enabled. And now we can scroll through the list of applications and turn on and off the notifications for them. And how it works is basically, if you turn on the notifications, for example, for the Bose application, and you receive the notification from the Bose application on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your smart band. But if you disable it, it won't be forwarded to your smart band, so you will see it only on your phone. That's how it works. I'm gonna enable the notifications for Discord. And you can also turn on the option to mute the notifications while using the phone. I'm not gonna enable that, but if you want to, you can do it. And once you're done with the notifications, you should be able to receive them. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord, and we'll see if it's working. So let's send the message. And we got the notification on our phone. Let's check the smart band. As you can see, it is here. And if you missed the notification on your smart band, I believe you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the notification panel. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this smart band on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.